Hello students, welcome to Top Scholars. Let us today understand the concept of volume, its introduction and going ahead to its applications. The volume of an object is nothing but the amount of space that object occupies. What do we see here? We have two balloons. This is a smaller balloon. The second one is a larger balloon. What did we talk about volume? The amount of space the object occupies. So we see that the smaller balloon will have lesser amount of air. It will occupy lesser amount of space. The larger balloon will have more air. It will occupy more volume. Perfect. Great. So, let us now understand units of volume. Now, we know this shape is a square. How many dimensions does the square have? 2 dimensions. Let us say this is 1 centimeter, then the other will also be 1 centimeter. And how do we find the area of the square? Area of the square is side into side. So here we have 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter. That is equal to 1 and centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square. We also write this as 1 square centimeter, right? So square centimeter is the unit of area for this square, or in general unit of area. Let us now draw a 3-dimensional figure. What is this called? This is a cube. Let us see that the cube has how many dimensions? 3 dimensions. Which are those dimensions? They are the height, which is 1 centimeter, the breadth, which is also 1 centimeter, and the length, which is also 1 centimeter. Yes, my dear students, cube has equal length, breadth and height. And the volume of a cube is given by side into side into side. That is, we multiply side how many times? 3 times. Here we have the side as 1 centimeter. Therefore, the volume is 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter. How do we multiply? 1 into 1 into 1 gives me 1, and centimeter into centimeter into centimeter 3 times. So we get centimeter cube, and 1 centimeter cube is also written as 1 cu, that is cubic centimeter, right? Remember students, the unit of volume is cubic centimeter.
To learn more about this topic, download Top Scholars app.